Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A company has a strong mission statement. That's good. But frequent ethical violation. What's the most likely issue? So what's the most likely issue if we have a strong, very valid mission statement? Mission statement is on paper, but we still have ethical violation. What would be the most likely explanation? The mission statement is too detailed. I don't think that will, because it's too detailed, we are committing ethical violation. I doubt it, and that's easy to solve. You could just shorten it if that's the problem. But I don't think that's a solid answer. Let's go to B. The code of ethics is effectively enforced. If it's effectively enforced, we should not have frequent ethical violation. I would definitely take out B. I cannot take out A. A doesn't have a lot of weight to it, but I'm gonna keep A. Leadership behavior is inconsistent with ethical standard. Wow, that's a red flag. Why? Because remember, we need three things. We need leadership, the mission, and the code of ethics. What we're saying here is we have a good mission on paper, the mission statement. But what we are told in C, leadership is inconsistent. We need leadership. Leadership sets the tone. So I'm going to take out A for sure now. I would say between A, B, and C, C is the most reasonable answer, because if leadership does not model ethical behavior, violation would repeatedly occur. Because the strong mission is useless. It's on paper. Let's look at the company lacks financial reporting system. Financial reporting system, it's not really relevant to ethical violation. Could be a problem with internal control, which is something we have to fix logistically, but has nothing to do with ethical violation, doing something wrong. D is out. Wrong in a sense, not mathematically wrong, it's morally wrong. Therefore, C is the best answer. If you're using Farhat.ai, you could ask the AI to explain the topic if you would like, explain the correct and incorrect answer in depth, and the best is to create a similar MCQ to help reinforce what you just took. What should you do now? Whether you're a CMA, CPA, accounting student, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself, invest in your education. Don't shortchange yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.